Hi guys, in this video we talk about the Samsung S24 Ultra versus Oppo Find X7 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $1,099 and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $999. The dimension is same in both mobiles and the weight of these devices same. The Samsung S24 Ultra have 225 gram and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra have 223 gram. The build: the Samsung S24 Ultra front and back glass and titanium frame. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display: the Samsung S24 Ultra come with dynamic AMOLED 2x 16mm color, and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with LTPO4 AMOLED 1 billion color. And the screen size: the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 6.81 inch display and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 6.82 inches. And the resolution of these devices: the Samsung S24 Ultra and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 2K screen resolution, and the PPI density is same, not much difference. The refresh rate is same, 120Hz, and the screen to body ratio: the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 91.1% and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 91.3%. And the protection: the Gorilla Glass 3 in both mobile. And the screen brightness: the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 3000 nits peak brightness and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 4500 nits peak brightness. And the camera: the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with quad-core setup. The main sensor 200 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, and 200 megapixel periscope telephoto. And it's record 8K 30fps video. And the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with quad-core setup. The 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto. And it's record 8K 30fps video. And the selfie camera of these devices: the Samsung S24 Ultra comes with 40 megapixel selfie camera and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra comes with 32 megapixel of selfie camera and 4K 30fps video record in both mobile. And the platform: the Samsung S24 Ultra and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with octa-core CPU with Cortex X4 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. And GPU of these devices: the Samsung S24 Ultra and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with Adreno 750 and it's also come with Android 14. The memory: the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 12GB, 16GB and 24GB of RAM. And the internal storage: the both mobile come with 256GB for 12GB and 1TB of internal storage and no SD card support in both mobile. And let's talk about the battery of these devices. The Samsung S24 Ultra and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 5000 mAh battery. And the charging of these devices: the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 45 watt fast charging and Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 100 watt fast charging. And the wireless charging of these mobile: the Samsung S24 Ultra come with 15 watt wireless charging and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra come with 50 watt wireless charging. And it's also come with 5G network. Common and feature in both mobile is same, not much difference. And the result of these devices: the Samsung S24 Ultra got 23 points and the Oppo Find X7 Ultra got 24 points.